Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to create a wireframe from your 3D geometry. So right here, I've just made a sphere. I'm going to go into my sub-D tools and I'm going to select this command right here, which is the quad remesh. Now this will pop up and we have all of these various settings. I'm going to go to preview. And what I can do is I can start to manipulate these settings. Because this is a sphere, we may have to actually give it some parameters in terms of the way it is subdividing. So once we do the symmetry along the z-axis, we're going to get these very regular subdivisions. Now, this number right here determines how many faces we're going to get on our sphere. And if we go if we go higher, we get smaller faces. And if we go lower, we get these larger faces and also fewer lines across. So I'm just going to go ahead and press OK. And right here, we have a copy, we have our original surface, and we have our poly surface. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in extract wireframe. And now I have this network of lines, and they're all individual. I'm going to group them. Okay, so I have all of these separate sections, and I'm going to type in pipe. And this time, I'm just going to put this to 1 in terms of the radius. And now we have all of these separate circular sections going around each one of these lines. And now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to group them again. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to copy this. And I'm going to try and position this right in the middle. Okay, and I can come in here and I can also pull my surface a little bit. Okay, this is important when we start doing this 3D view. And now we have these 3 different spheres, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them right here, and I am going to type in make 2D, and we're going to see what the difference is once we draw these spheres. Make 2D. And we're just going to go for all the various views. We're going to deselect hidden line. And then we're going to press OK. Right. And what we can see here is that we have a sphere that is showing us these intersection points. What go in here. I can also scale this. And I will probably just scale this so that it's a little bit bigger than what we had before. And then I'm going to go in here and do a make 2D command to get my 3 views. Okay. Right. And right here now we can see that our sphere has these very nice clean edges, whereas these other 2 spheres, this one is perfectly round, whereas this one is made of separate sections. These are the ghosted outline rather than this 3D view with subdivisions, which can be very useful. So again, we can see it from the top and we can see it from the side. Thank you.